10 किलोमीटर रन 30 कितना है 32 39 31 39
No, 32, 36 PSI, right?
32 36 ओके सो सर उसको बोलना वॉल चेक कर देगा आपका Okay, hi guys. I am at Formula X right now. So we researched a lot of solutions for turning the spoke wheels into tubeless. But the problem which we were trying to solve was that if we are stranded in some kind of a situation where we don't find a mechanic, so that was the whole idea. It was not making the tire tubeless, but that was the problem which we were trying to solve. So here in Formula X has come up with a solution where there is a sealant, automatic sealant with a rubber component in it. This set of packs which are there, ranging from a smaller bike to a medium-sized bike to for the large bike.
I'll show you the demo of it.
Okay, sure.
This is the thing. Anyhow, this is a tire.
Okay.
It has a pin
Right,
over here.
right.
So this is the pin.
Okay.
It is going inside.
Yeah, sure.
It's complete inside.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine. See, come over.
Oh.
The pin went into this,
Okay.
and the gel comes out of it,
Okay.
and it blocks the hole. It's
Okay,
it's a tubeless tire, first of all.
Okay. It's a tubeless tire.
It's tubeless tire.
Right.
Okay.
So how does it operate in case of tube tires where we have GT or we have interceptors, right?
I'll show you that also.
So this liquid will go inside the tube, you're telling me?
This
Okay.
is the tube
Okay.
of the tubeless tire.
Right.
This is actually having that tube inside.
Right.
Once the gel is inside, it will cover up the whole thing
Okay.
from inside.
Okay.
Like whenever a puncture or something occurs, as soon as you remove that whatever the foreign obstacle has gone into it,
Right.
as soon as you remove it, the gel will start coming out of it,
Okay.
and it will block the outer holes of it.
Okay. Sure.
And so that the air won't compress down.
Right.
The most probably the thing which you have to do is like just you have to just again deflate the inflate the tire,
Right.
whatever your requirements are, and
Right.
then it will be easier for you to just continue on.
Right. You mentioned about the different quantities which we have
Yeah.
for the front tire as well as the rear tire. So how do we come to know that it's full right now? So is it like it's going to overflow?
No, it's not gonna overflow. As soon as this whole liquid just gets empty into it,
Okay.
this is the exact amount which you have to put into your tires.
Okay, but Classic and Interceptor has different tire sizes.
No, the tire sizes doesn't depends upon that thing. The thing depends like Pro Pack what the Pro Pack has. It is actually giving you the quantity which is making the inside layer of 1.5 mm. That's it.
Okay.
So it will actually the Interceptor has a tires which is much more inflated.
Right.
As when it comes to Classic 350, it's much more wider.
Right.
So this is the difference between them. So like for the thing that at the end the whole thing is the covering the tires into 1.5 mm. That's the basic requirement of this thing.
And even if we are going at a high speed and puncture occurs, will there be wobble?
Nothing will happen. This is the basic thing now.
Okay.
Once we install this, you don't have to face about. You don't have to even think about what tensions about like punctures and the things. You just have to pull out the tire that foreign obstacle, but make sure that you pull out in a proper manner.
Okay.
Once it's outside, the hole will automatically get blocked.
Sealed.
Automatically blocked, and once it's blocked, then you don't have to think about it.
Right.
And it will last till your tires last.
Okay, so at Formula X we found the packs which we were looking at. लग तो यही रहा है कि एक अच्छा इजी सॉल्यूशन मिल गया है अपने बाइक्स के टायर्स को पंचर प्रूफ करने के लिए या रेजिस्टेंट टू पंचर करने के लिए, जहां आपके माइंड में कोई ज़्यादा डाउट ना रहे या आपको कॉन्फिडेंस पूरा रहे कि मैं राइड पे जा सकता हूं, मैं कहीं फंसूंगा नहीं टायर्स की वजह से। तो लग तो ऐसे ही रहा है कि एक ये सोल्यूशन मिल गया है। अब इसको इंस्टॉल करके देखेंगे, ग्रुप में ज़्यादा लोगों का रिव्यू लेंगे, क्योंकि बिकॉज वी डोंट बिलीव कि भाई मैंने यूज़ किया अपने कंडीशंस पे, क्योंकि लार्जर ग्रुप है, लार्ज अमाउंट क्वांटिटी में हम पैक्स खरीद रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग विद 4 पैक्स राइट नाउ, सो एसेंशली 4 to 4 people will be using it and will be using it different bikes. So Abhishek told us about the entire process of Formula X with the various packs which we have, and we'll be doing the DIY right now because the situation was that today it was raining and we asked sir to be here, but we couldn't manage in time. So we'll definitely be doing our DIY and posting it. So whosoever is looking for a solution where you want to have a puncture-proof tire, I guess Formula X will do the job. So see, the thing is, there are a lot many options which are available, from Outex to Sealants to anything. So whatever is sufficing your use case, you go for that. So what I would suggest is, in my use case, my current budget, I felt that this is the solution, and definitely once we all are doing it, we are going on a ride and we will give a post-ride review also to you. We've got inside the box of this product Formula X, right? तो अभी बॉक्स को ही पहले देख लेते हैं हम. इस पे यूजुअली आपके ये 12 इन्फोग्राफिक्स मिल जाएंगे. इसके अंदर वॉट एवर सर्टिफिकेशंस दे हैव, वॉट एवर की आई वुड से यूनिक वैल्यू और कोई ऐसे फीचर्स जो कि इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को थोड़ा डिस्टिंक्ट बनाते हैं, वो इन लोगों ने मेंशन किए. बाकी आपको क्या मिलेगा, इसका फेसबुक ट्विटर हैंडल वगैरह मिल जाएगा यहाँ पर एक्सेस करने का. एंड देन व्हाट एल्स डू वी हैव, वी हैव अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ आई वुड से द फीचर्स ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट, जैसे कि अभी ये एयर लॉस प्रिवेंट करता है, ऑटोमेटिक रिपेयर है, ऑल वेदर है, टायर बैलेंसिंग को सपोर्ट करता है और इजी टू इंस्टॉल है, वो सब चीज़ें हैं. और इधर अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये है बाइक कंपैटिबिलिटी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू इंस्टॉल इट फॉर आवर क्लासिक 500 एंड इंटरसेप्टर 650. सो यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो क्लासिक के लिए भी इन्होंने मेंशन किया हुआ है, क्लासिक 500 एंड इंटरसेप्टर के लिए भी है. तो यू कैन लुक ओवर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि किस बाइक्स के लिए कंपैटिबल है. वैसे बतौर ये जो पैक है, ये एक स्पेशलाइज्ड पैक है. इसके अंदर डिफरेंट साइजेस आते हैं, जो कि हमने बात करी थी जब हम ये परचेज भी कर रहे थे. अभिषेक ने हमें बताया था. सो लेट्स सी कि पैक के अंदर क्या क्या आता है. नाउ एसेंशली यू गेट 2 पाउचेस ऑफ द लिक्विड दैट इज़ क्लियरली मार्क रहेगा इस पर. फ्रंट टायर और ये है रियर टायर के लिए, आगे और पीछे के लिए दोनों अलग अलग रहेंगे. सो जब इंस्टॉल करेंगे तो ध्यान से प्लीज़ देख लीजिए कि कौन सा आप टायर में अभी कौन से टायर को डिफ्लेट करके इंस्टॉल करेंगे. ये है स्क्वीज़ करने के लिए. सो बेसिकली ये रोलर इसके पीछे लग जाएगा और इसकी हेल्प से आप स्क्वीज़ करके प्रेशर मेंटेन कर सकते हैं जब आप स्क्वीज़ कर रहे हैं. वन इज़ दिस डिफ्लेटर, जिससे आप अपना नॉब को खोलेंगे. ये अडेप्टर है जो कि आपके नॉब में कनेक्ट होगा. एंड देन फाइनली दिस इज़ आर कोई क्लॉगिंग हो गई हो तो उसको क्लियर कर सकते हैं. तो क्लॉगिंग क्लियर करना ज़रूरी इसलिए भी है ना, ताकि ये जो लिक्विड है ये वहाँ स्टिक ना हो जाए. So this is the constituent of package right now. So let's go for installation and let's see how it works. So we'll be installing Formula X in our bikes before this 400 kilometer ride. So we have all the 4 bikes lined up. So we've got Formula X. So today it's going to be a multiple bike experiment which will be starting shortly. So all of us have got their packs. So as a very basic first step, deflate both of your tires by using the deflating pin. So for completely deflating the tire, just put it on the side stand and leave it for some time and it will start deflating. So as you can see on this Interceptor, we have left it for on the side stand after removing the valve. So now you can add the solution to the tire by attaching the adapter to the pouch and the other end to the valve. You have to make sure that the pipe which you are using for the installation is long, and this angle this angle has to be kept straight. So there'll be clogging multiple times during the process, so keep on using the clearing pin. So here the clogging will happen, and even at this height the clogging can happen. So see the size of clog. So after filling the liquid, you can put the valve back and tighten it using the tightening tool which is given in the pack.
After filling the Formula X, you have to drive your vehicle at a 30 km power speed. Shiv, you are going to drive at 30 km like that till 5 km. You can go Kherpuram se घुमा के आ जाइए. This is how we had our first bike that had the Formula X installed in it. So right now we are continuing for the next bike. So we are having some clogging issues. Still summer and Avi will be going on. So we have to go smooth on the packet, otherwise the packet will get rust. So as you're looking while filling it, we are ready to go with more 2 bikes out here. So one is mine and the other one is Abhinandan's. So thanks to the owner and the Bharat Petroleum.
First we are ready with our first bike, so which we have done, and we'll be doing the second bike. So essentially what we are doing is we are completing one bike at a time. After completing 2 bikes, now the process is going to take a little bit less time because we are ahead of learning curve. So one thing which we learned is that longer the adapter towards the wall is, the faster the process is. Second is you have to keep the head straight, and third is that you have to keep on clearing the clogs. So I guess they've forgotten the clog pin, so they'll gather the You spoke about the quantity which is there, and does the quantity also change with the change of bike? Like for example, I have Interceptor and I have Classic 500.
Okay.
Will there be a different pack for both?
No, for the Classic 5 below there are 3 types of differences.
Right.
First of all, for the small bikes like for the scooters and other things,
Right.
it's actually a normal pack. It's called scooter die pack.
Uh-huh.
I'll show you all. It also comprises the same thing.
Okay.
But it is basically for the scooters and the small tires. It
Okay.
comprises of 200 ml from the front tire, and 200 ml from the
Rear tire.
rear
Okay.
tires. This is for the things. This is the motorcycle, normal motorcycle bike, which
Right.
is for a normal 150cc to 200cc.
Sure.
Like Pulsar 150, Apache 160,
Right.
Pulsar 200 NS, and all that KTM,
Right.
other things. It comprises into this one.
Right.
And for the above bikes, which has a bigger tire dimension, for that we have to go into that motorcycle pro.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the basic difference which we have to follow.
Sure.
Each and every pack has a different story.
Okay.